Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you guys and welcome to Olive Board. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So very good morning to all of you guys once again. So as we were doing with this series, so we are continuing with the time and work. Okay, so we have learned a lot of things in this series. So first we started with the MDH method. Then we moved on to the efficiency based methods. Then we understood the LCM method as well in the last class, yesterday's class. So these things are already done, right? So we will be expanding a little bit on the LCM method only. So we will look at some different concepts on this, a few different concepts on this LCM method only in today's class. I hope this makes sense. Now, again, for those who are, for those of us, those of you guys who are joining us for the first time, so just let me say this: these classes are for absolute basic students. These are we are starting from absolute scratch. Absolute, these classes are for beginners. Okay, so where this is where we are learning a few basic concepts, and after all these classes are will be conducted on YouTube, very short classes, 30 to 40 minutes at max. And after each and every class, after each and every chapter, so end of the week we'll be conducting a practice session. Okay, that will be live practice session. That too will be completely free. That will be conducting on the Olive Board app. So what if you want to participate in that particular live practice session, you just need to download the Olive Board app, and just you need to simply join the class. You will find the link. You will be given all the details about that practice session. So every week we'll be having this. Okay, so we have started with time and work chapter. Definitely after once time and work is over, so we'll move on to different chapters as well. I hope this makes sense. I hope this makes sense to everybody. Okay, so that is something we are doing. That is something we are targeting. Perfect. Now let's move on to basic LCM method questions we have seen in the last class. So today I wanted to discuss a type of questions which is very common, very common. That is called alternating concept. Alternate concept. Okay, alternate concept questions, these are very common, and honestly speaking, these questions are not very difficult. These are all very easy questions, but I don't know, there is a very stigma around this. This is very tough. This is something that takes a lot of time. This wastes a lot of time and so on. Let me say one thing. These questions, if you know how to deal with this LCM method, how to deal with this LCM method, alternate concept is not very difficult. You need to have the approach right. You need to have the right approach in this particular type of question, then everything is solved. It might be a 2 alternate, it might be 3 alternate, it might be alternate between a bunch of 2s. Generally these 3 types only come. Okay, so let's understand using a example. Let me give you guys an example. Say there are two persons. One is A and another one is B. Now A can complete a job. If A is working alone, A can complete a job in 20 days. And if B is working alone, B can complete the same job, say in 25 days. Okay, say in 25 days. Now what they are saying, they have decided ki okay, let's both of us will do the job, but we will not do it together. Yesterday in LCM, basic LCM method questions, we understood what will happen if they both of them are doing it together. But today the thing is that they are not doing it together. They are doing it, say the A will do on the first day, A will do the job on first day, then second day B will do, then third day again A will do, then fourth day again B will do, then fifth day again A will do. So meaning they are doing it alternatively, meaning A, then second day B, then third day A, then second day B, then fifth day A, then B, then A, then B, and this is going on. This is the order they are working. So like how will the question be represented? They will say कि both of them started working together alternatively, starting with A. Starting with it. Now, please understand in the question, this starting needs to be mentioned. Why? Because you see, if say B has started, instead of A, if B had started, so B would have started. So B will be the the person who will work on the first day, then A, then B, then A, then B, then A, then B, then A, and so on. So order would have changed. So it is important to give you whether this is the order or this is the order. So they will give it to you. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. They will give you who is starting, whether A is starting on the first day or whether B is starting. So over here we are taking the first scenario. Ki sir A is starting. A is starting in the on the first day. Okay, that is the situation. That is the situation at hand. Now, if that is the situation, then now you understand. Now they will ask, in how many days? In how many days the work will get completed? The work will be complete. Very, very simple question. Okay, but please understand the whole thing. The approach will be a little bit different. Not so much. It will be a little bit different only, as this is alternate. So instead of taking this, now you understand one thing. You will say, sir, then A is working on the first day. Second day, B is working. Third day, sir, A is working. Fourth day, sir, B is working. Again, sir, A. Again, sir, B. Again, sir, A. Again, sir, B. And this is going on. Right? So let's understand one thing. So can you see? So A, sir, A and B, if I take a bunch, instead of taking every day, if I take a bunch of every 2 days, so that means you see, first day, among those 2 days, first day A is working, second day, sir, B is working. Please understand, if they are working alternatively, first day A is working, second day B is working. Again, sir, in the second bunch, first day A is working, second day B is working. So meaning, can you say this? Ki acha, then that means this, in these capsules, in these bunches, this efficiency of these bunches are the same. Whatever work is done in this bunch is the same as the whatever work is done in this bunch is the same as the whatever work is done in this particular bunch is the same as the whatever work is done in this bunch. So every bunch, you see, if I take, because A and B both are having different what? Different work efficiency, because they are taking different time to complete the work. So their work efficiency is different. But what can I say? I can say, sir, A plus B, this bunch, if we think about the bunch, then the efficiency is same, because sir, one day A is working, one day B is working. So total is A plus B. Sir, here also one day A is working, one day B is working. So total is, sir, A and B. Here also, sir, one day A is working, one day B is working. So total is A plus B. So these bunches are the same. Now let's understand. So once we have understood this, let's do one simple more thing more. What is that? So let's figure out their efficiencies. Sir, how can we figure that out? Sir, using LCM method. Sir, what will be the LCM? Sir, total work. So total work will be how much? Sir, total work will be, sir, LCM of time, LCM of, sir, 20 and 25. 20 and 25, sir, it's 100 units. 100 units. Now A is doing this 100 units. This we have done in the previous class. I am doing it very quickly. So A is doing this 100 units in say 20 days. So efficiency of A means how much work A does in one day. So A is doing 100 units in 20 days. In one day A does 5 units. 5 units a day, that is the efficiency of A. Sir, what about B, sir? B is doing this complete 100 units in 25 days. So what is the efficiency, sir? 4 units a day. Excuse me. 4 units a day. So meaning, sir, can I say this? One second. Excuse me. Meaning, sir, A is doing 5 units, B is doing 5 units. Sir, meaning what is the efficiency of each of these bunches? Sir, A is 5, B is 4, sir, total is 9. Sir, what about this bunch? Sir, total is 9. Sir, what about this bunch? Sir, total is 9. Sir, what about this bunch? Total is 9. So, every bunch, they are doing 9 units. They are doing 9 units. Now, please, every bunch means how many days? Every bunch means 2 days. One day A is working, another day B is working. And they are completing 9 units every 2 days. They are completing 9 units A and B together in every 2 days. Please understand, this is the concept of alternate. Now you understand. So, now in order to complete the whole work, they need to complete this 100 units because that is my whole work. That is my whole work, this 100 units. Complete 100 units is my whole work. Now this 100 units of whole work. Now they are doing it in this 9 unit, this type of bunches. They are doing it in these type of bunches, right? So 100 units, how will they be able to complete this? Sir, 100. So if I take say 11 such bunches, because each bunch is of 9 units each. Sir, 11 such bunches if I take. So that means sir, 11 times 9, 99 units work will be done. Yes or no, everyone? If I take 11 such bunches, every bunch means 9 units of work, total 99 units is gone. Total 99 units of work is done. Sir, remaining work is how much, sir? Remaining work is, sir, 1 unit. Remaining work is, sir, 1 unit. Now. Sir, 11 such bunches mean how many days? Sir, every bunch was of 2 days. One day A was working, one day B was working. So that means total how many days, sir? 11 such bunches means, sir, total 22 days. Total 22 days. Now this is for this 99 units. 99 units, to complete this 99 units, they are taking 22 days. Now the work is not over yet. The work is not over yet. Why? Sir, 1 unit is remaining, sir. Now the question is, now the big question you need to ask yourself, sir, who will do it? Who will do this? Please understand, this is the biggest question. Whenever you are having this remaining work, the biggest question that you need to ask yourself, sir, who will do this remaining 1 unit? Who will do this remaining 1 unit, sir? Sir, who will do this? Now you understand, sir. Bunch is ending with always B. You see, sir, A, then B, end. A, then B, end. A, then B, end. So every bunch is ending with B. So, sir, 11 such bunch, 99 such units ends with B. So then the next day, who will start working, sir? A will start working, then B will come. But sir, 1 unit, then that means, sir, 1 unit will be done by A only. B doesn't need to come only. B doesn't even need to come. A will complete this 1 unit because A can do 5 units a day. So A, in order to complete this 1 unit, how much day or how much time A will take? Sir, in 1 day A can do 5 units. So 1 unit, sir, A will take 1 by 5 days. Correct? 5 units in 1 day. So definitely A will take how many days, sir? A will take 1 by 5 days. That means, sir, what is the total in how many days? What will be the total answer? So total answer will be, sir, total 22 days for this 99 units, plus for the remaining 1 unit there will be another 1 by 5 days, or you can say 22.2 days, because 1 by 5 is 0.2. Now, very important part. Sir, what if that it was the second thing? Meaning, you see, I have told you one thing, ki the work may start from B as well. Meaning, A, B na okay, it may have been B, A, B, A, B, A, and so on, right? Excuse me. It might be like this. So then what will be the change? Sir, what will be the change? Sir, because BA and AB, the bunches are equal to 9 only. Because B will do 4, A will do 9, 5, total is 9, sir. So means 99 units, 11 bunches, everything is similar, nothing will change. The only change will come in this remaining part. Why? Because you see, in this case, the difference is, in the last case, the bunch was ending with B. So the remaining 1 unit was being done by A. Whereas over here, in this case, the bunch is being ended by A. So remaining work will be done by whom? Remaining work. So any bunch ends, any new bunch starts. So that will be who will come first? B will come first. So this remaining 1 unit of work will be done by whom? It will be done by B. It will be done by B. So 1 unit B will now do. So in order for B to do this, so B is doing 4 units a day. So 1 unit meaning 1 by 4 days. So in that case, your answer will be 22 days plus 1 by 4 days, not 1 by 5. So meaning the answer will be 22.25 days. So that is why I told you guys in the beginning only. That is why in the beginning only I told you guys, whoever is starting, it will always be mentioned in the question ki starting with this person, starting with A, starting with B, alternate concept. The starting person is very, very important, because whoever will start, the remaining part will always be done by that person only. The remaining part will always be done by that person only. Is it clear, everyone? Please tell me a yes or no. Is this clear? Is this clear? Absolutely clear. Very, very, very important concept we are discussing. This is not very basic anymore. This is not absolute basic anymore. Right? Understood, everybody? Understood? Chalo, moving on. I'm hoping you guys have understood this. Now. Sir, let's do one question. Sir. CGL 2022, please, sir. CGL, every year they will give you one question on this, like minimum. Sir, A and B can complete a piece of work in 13 and 17 days respectively. A begins to do the work and they work alternatively, one at a time for 1 day each. The whole work will be completed in how many days? So the options are in days. Now please understand one very simple thing. Whoever is beginning the work, sir, A begins the work. Meaning, and they are doing it alternatively on a single day basis. Meaning, sir, A, then B. Sir, A, then B. Sir, A, then B. Sir, A, then B, and so on. Achha, now let me tell you guys one very simple logic. Very, very simple logic. That way, it will help you with your calculations. Just a very simple thing. Sir, both the days are prime numbers. 13 you see, sir, prime number. 17 you see, they are prime numbers. This happens with co-prime numbers as well. So, sir, definitely we can say their LCM their LCM will be multiplication only. Their LCM will be their product or multiplication, because sir, they don't have any common product, common factor. They don't have anything in common. So meaning sir, LCM is 13 times 17. Correct? And you see, if you take then the efficiency is 13 into 17 by, for A divided by 13. So it will be what? It will be 17 for A. So it will just get like opposite. So A will be 17. So you see, you don't need to calculate. Simply I can say, sir, total work is, sir, 13 times 17. Okay. This happens with co-prime numbers, and prime numbers are co-prime only. And efficiency of A, I can say, sir, A is taking 13 days. So efficiency will be the opposite, sir, 17 units. And efficiency of B will be what, sir? Sir, B is taking 17 days, so opposite, like take the opposite. So 13 units a day. Okay. So this is a very like good thing or good type of calculation that you guys can do. So it saves a lot of time. Now, let's come into our alternate concept. Sir, again, alternate concept, A, B, A, B. So bunch, let's take, sir, bunch. A, B, A, B, A, B. Sir, what is the efficiency of each bunch? Sir, A is doing 13, B is doing, like A is doing 17, B is doing, sir, 13. A is doing 17, B is doing 13, sir. So every bunch, the efficiency is how much, sir? Efficiency is, sir, 17 plus 13, that is 30 units. So that means that every bunch they are giving us 30 units of work, 30 units of work, 30 units of work, then again 30 units of work, and so on, and so on. And total work is how much, sir? 17 into 13, 17 tens are 170, 3 17s are 51. So 170 and 51, 170, 30 is 20, 200 plus 51 is a 221. So that is the total work. That is these many 221 units. 221 units is the total. And 30 units is the value for each bunch. Sir, can I say 7 such bunches if I take? If I take, sir, 7 such bunches, so total work is done how much? How much total work is done, sir? Every bunch is giving us 30 units of work. A is doing 17 units out of them, B is doing the 13 units. Total, sir, 30 units. 7 such bunches, sir. Sir, 210 units. Sir, that means remaining how much, sir? Sir, total I need to complete, in order to complete the whole work, I need to complete 221 units. I need to complete 221 units. So I have only done 210. Remaining, sir, remaining will be how much? Sir, remaining is 11 units. Total 221 minus 11. Now this 11 units, now I told you guys, you need to ask yourself one question. Who will do this? Who will do this? Who will do this remaining 11 units? A will do or B will do? A will do or B will do? Sir, definitely bunch is starting with A, so bunch will end with B. Bunch is ending in B, so the next bunch will start from A. Bunch starts like ending with B, so next day who will come to work? A will come to work. So the remaining work will be done by whom, sir? Done by A. Remaining work will be done by A. So remaining work will be done by A, meaning remaining work if A does, so this 11 units A will do. Let's see. So let's see, sir. So if A wants to do this, so A is doing, sir, 17 units per day. So how much time A will take, sir? How much time A will take, sir? Sir, 7, so 11 units divided by 17 days. Correct? Because, sir, 11 units, 17 units he is doing in one day. 1 unit in how many days? 11 units in how many days? Simple unitary method. So this is the number of days A will take to complete the remaining work. This is the extra days. And 7 such bunches mean how many days? Sir, every bunch was of 2 days. One day A was working, one day B was working. One day A was working, one day B was working. So total sir 7 such bunches means sir 14 days, because every bunch is of 2 days. 7 twos are 14. So my answer will be sir 14 and 11 and 11 by 17. So 14 whole 11 by 17 days, which is my option number 3. Now, as we have solved this, let me say one very simple thing. Let me say one very simple thing. Once I have seen ki I need 7 such bunches. Please understand this. Once I have seen I need 7 such bunches, I can straight away from there I can see sir 14 days plus some fraction will be my answer. Yes or no? 14 days plus some fraction will be my answer. Sir, in the options there is only one such possibility. So you could skip all this for this for this exact question. But again, why did we then do this? Then if we could have solve this question using the shortcut, using a little bit of thinking, using the options. So then why did you solve all these things, right? Because we're learning. Please understand, we are learning the concepts. Solving the questions easily, there are multiple ways of doing that. Multiple ways you can solve a particular question in a very easy manner, we using options and everything. In our live classes we kind of discuss that thing only, right? We have so many things. So options we can so I told you guys, if you want to score good, if you want to complete the paper, inherently you need to be very lazy. You need to understand, you need to learn how to avoid calculations, how to answer questions without solving the actual question. That's one thing, that's one skill you need to develop, and that will only come with practice. You need to do a lot of practice to develop that, and it will come with time and practice and classes and like the whole preparation stuff. Perfect, everyone. Chalo. Okay, if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, and if you guys are understanding the content and the type of questions we are doing, please leave a like. Please leave a like. Okay, so let's do this question. I wanted to do this question. This is a 3 alternate. This is also an alternate, good question, but this is better. CGL 23P. CGL 23P. A, B, C, 3 persons can do a piece of work 30, 40, 50 respectively. Beginning with A, you see always this part is given. Always this particular part is given. If A, B and C do the work alternatively, then how many days will the work be finished? Sir, similar concept, sir, but the what is extra? Sir, 3 persons now instead of 2. No worries, no worries. Let's total work, sir, LCM. Total work, sir, LCM of 30, 40, 50. How much will that be? Sir, 150, 300 is the total, like this LCM. Let us figure out the efficiencies. Sir, efficiency of A is doing this 300 units in 30 days. So A efficiency of A is at 10 units a day. 300 divided by 30. Sir, what about B, sir? 300 units in 40 days. So 300 divided by 40. Achha, I have made a mistake. Not 300, it will be 600. It will be 600. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. So it will be 20 then. 40. Yes, 600. So it will be 20. And this 600 by 40, this is like 15. This is 50. Directly I'm writing, okay? It is 15 units a day. And this is 50. So what will be the efficiency of C? So 600 divided by 600 divided by 50. So if you do, this will be 12. 5 12s are 60. 5 12s are 60. So sir, these are the efficiencies of A, B and C. Perfect. Now sir, what is the scenario? How will we make the bunch? Beginning with A, they are working alternatively. They are working alternatively. Please understand, this bunch making is important. So that means sir, A, B, C. First day A, then B, then C. Sir, done. Then A, B, C once again. Then sir, again A, B, C. Sir, and this is continuing. So sir, our bunches will look like how, sir? Sir, our bunches or this bunches will look something like this. So one day A will work, one day B will work, one day C will work. So 3-day bunches here. So each of our bunches are of 3 days now because there are 3 persons. And sir, each bunch is giving me how much units of work? Sir, 20, 15, 12 because A is doing 20, B is doing 15 and C is doing 12. So total how much, sir? 20, 15, 35, that is 47 units. 47 units of work. Sir, 47 units of work we are getting from each of the bunches. From each of the bunches. Sir, if I take 12 such bunches, so how much work will I be getting, sir? 47 times 12. Sir, 47 times 10 is 470 plus 47 times 2. That is, sir, 94. Sir, 470 plus 100 is how much? That is 570. That is 570. But 5, not 100, it's 6 less. Sir, 564 minutes. So, meaning, sir, we are doing how much? So, 12 such bunches is giving me 564 units of work. Please understand, now the interesting part actually starts. So we are now still left with some part. We are now still left with some work. How much work we need to complete? So total I need to complete 600 units. We have completed 564. So total, that means still 36 units of work is still to be done. We still have 36 units of work to be done. Sir. Bunch is complete. Sir, bunch is complete. So again, a new bunch will start. New bunch will start like A, then B, then C. Sir, A will come first because they have told us beginning with A. Sir, A will do how much unit of work? A will do how much unit of work? Sir, A, out of these remaining 36 units, A will come one day and A will do his quota of 20 units. Okay. So 20 units they are doing. So then again B will come on the second day. B will do his quota of 15 units. So that means total 35 units is gone. In 2 days, in 2 more days, 35 units is gone in 2 more days. Please understand, in 2 more days, 35 units is gone. Still not over yet. It is still not over. Still 1 unit of work is remaining. Still 1 unit of work remains. Now this 1 unit will be done by whom? Sir, this 1 unit will be done by C only. And C is doing 12 units in 1 day. So this 1 unit will take how much days, sir? 1 by 12 days. So that means total number of days will be how much, sir? So 12 bunches. Each bunches were of 3 days. So total, sir, 12 3s are 36 days plus 2 more days here, 1 for A, 1 for B. Sir, plus 1 by 12 days here, sir. So that means 38 whole 1 by 12 days. 38 whole 1 by 12 days. That will be your answer. Sir, option number 1. Option number 1, 38 whole 1 by 12 days. That is your correct answer. And this was a PYQ from SSC CGL 2023. I hope everybody understood this. Very, very, very important concept. We will discuss a lot of shortcuts around these things in the practice sessions. Again telling you, here we are focusing right on to the concepts. We are not focusing around the shortcuts and everything. Focus on learning how things are working. Like focus on using your brain. Okay. So what shortcuts can we use around this? That will also we will also discuss. Okay. But definitely not now. Right now we are learning here. Perfect, everyone. Perfect, everybody. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So I wanted to discuss, I wanted to do a lot, like a few questions on this alternative concept. This is a very, very important concept which each and every one of you should know, because this thing comes on a regular basis in the exam, both in CGL, CHSL, CPO, RRBs, every exam they give you the questions on a regular basis. Perfect, everyone. So everyone, once again, if you have liked the session, if you have understood the concepts, please leave a like. So it will help all of us. And thank you once again. Thank you so much for joining us. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.